When you have property, you can dictate the energy and frequency of that property. So I would do those little skills, you know, like I would walk the perimeters, I would empower the corners, like to seal it. And also I would use, I had a teacher who taught me feng shui, and I would look into feng shui and empower those, the areas in your property while you're holding it that you want empowered in your real life. Right. So I would empower ourselves, financial, because we have so many ideas that we want to invest in, right? And we don't have enough cash. So I would empower myself, I would empower the financial corner, the health corner, because we want our bodies to live healthily, strong and powerful for hundreds of years, and which is the natural lifespan for humans is thousands of years. So we want to expand it, at least in our generation, to hundreds of years, not 50 years or 90 years, right? We're still toddlers at that age. So I would empower health corner, right? I would enhance the helpful people corner, because good allies. And then you can look at it and see what else you would. You can empower every single corner as long as you hold in that property.